Hey, I just wanted to put out a quick update what's been going on. I know I haven't put out a lot of videos, and there's probably quite a few people waiting for the next installment on the Monarch. One problem I'm running up against is I'm always using it, and it's kind of hard to take apart the carriage and be down for a couple of weeks while I'm needing to use it to make parts. So I'm going to try to kind of get in the groove the next couple of weeks, knock out a few things, and get back to the Monarch and try to get the video out on it for the carriage. So in the meantime, in my 15 minutes here and there, or maybe an hour after work some days, I've been trying to do a bunch of other little projects, and I just got a ton of stuff going on. Working on a robotic observatory for a company, trying to make my own portable observing system based off of Raspberry Pi. I got some 3D printer stuff that I'm working on. I got a new CNC mill. I've still got the Bridgeport laying in pieces on the floor over there. And on top of that, just normal, trying to get things done around the house, mowing the yard. I live in Florida, so it rains, like 3 times a week, and the grass grows, a foot deep by the end of the week. Just trying to hustle to get everything done, and you just run out of time. And so I've been putting off the Monarch videos for a little while. I'll try to get back on that as soon as I can. In the meantime, at night I'm going to try to get some other video footage out. I'm not sure what the goal of this whole channel is. I'm not even sure why I'm compelled to share everything. I guess maybe it's because there's nobody that lives on my street that likes to do this kind of thing, and it's just my way of hanging out with cool people. Expect to start seeing kind of a variety of videos. I'm not a machinist by trade. I'm not an electrical engineer by trade. I'm not an astronomer by trade. I do have interest in those things and quite a few other things. I'm a tuba player, so we might be out here making a mouthpiece one day. You never know what I'm going to run into that just kind of piques my interest and becomes a project, and that's kind of a problem in and of itself. But anyway, I'm going to try to put everything out where it's like a complete, start to finish of projects. I'm going to have to start intermingling, all the videos, because I can't just concentrate on one thing and get it done, because everything is backlogged. And I have to kind of prioritize my time as to, how I'm going to get everything done in the limited amount of space that I have. You see my garage is kind of junky. And so I got to try to get some of these little projects out of the way, declutter, and kind of get my shop set up the way I want it to. Like I said, sorry I haven't put out any videos in a couple months on this thing. It still runs great, don't have any issues with it. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that would be cool. I don't really get anything out of it other than if you're just interested in what I'm working on, because it's a lot easier to take a picture and upload to that than to do an entire video. And so it's kind of like a lot of in the process of little things that are going on. And I take pictures at work too of anything that's kind of interesting. Sometimes a piece of equipment breaks, and if it's funny or interesting, or there's some kind of technical tip or anything, I try to take a picture and post it. So anyway, that's something to look at. You can just use the link that's in my channel, or you can just go to Robbie Nowell on Instagram. So anyway, I'll get back to work, and I'll see you guys later.